So I bring in all the wishes and greetings to Dr. Rakesh Raj for scoring a very good rank of 461 in MCH surgical group, NEET SS session 2023. Congratulations and best wishes, Doctor.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Can we know your brief background history from where you started till date?
I finished MS 2012, sir. Kilpak, Roypeta. So you might be knowing Ajay, CTS.
Yeah, he was my colleague.
He is my immediate junior in Roypeta.
Wow.
So I've been trying gastro for every year. I've been writing since 2012. Somehow, for some reason, I was not able to reach top 100. So, but past 2 years, I decided to move on. I was thinking about other specialties. So, 2020, I got vascular CTS. I was considering that also. I was discussing with Ajay. Will I be able to manage if I join at this time after so many years? I'm working in a government college in Pondicherry. So, I thought I'll get some study leave and then join MCH, but I could not get study leave. So, to leave the job, and I could not take a decision to join because of that. So again, I wrote next year again, same thing. I could not get. I got last year. I got above 1,000 rank. So I almost lost hope, and then I lost interest. So this year, I was not in thinking of giving the exam. Somehow last moment, I think July second week, I decided to join Speed online course. So I thought only that rapid course, because I have only 2 months time. I thought I'll just go through whatever the rapid revision classes are there. So I took 50 days leave. So all the past 10 years, I never taken leave before exam. So first time I took leave, and then I sincerely tried to listen to all the online classes, and then I notes. That is again a new thing. I never took notes all these years. And then so at that time, I think the only thing that got inspired me is your teaching, your interest in teaching after, because 2007 attended Speed coaching class. I got a PG after attending Speed coaching. So after so many years, I'm after seeing you still having the same interest and energy in taking class, really inspired me. It gave me a boost. So I thought I'll sincerely try. And even before giving the exam, one thing was in my mind: when I get a good rank, definitely I want to thank you in person, because probably destiny is that I have to attend Speed again. Probably again I have to go to the next stage. Probably. So the same thing happens. So I'm very happy.
Really wonderful. And all positivity. Everything is positive from your side. I mean,
Yes, sir. I think the main difference is I joined the coaching. I took notes. I think definitely your classes and your I think the team, all the specialty people. I think they were all very made things very easy for me to understand, because CTVS was always like Greek and Latin for me, is because I never studied beyond gastro. I was always confined to gastro. So I was always reluctant to read other specialties, but I think the faculties made very easy, very interesting, to the extent that I even thought about why not CTS. So it was so interesting. So I think kudos to the team and your ability to keep teaching for so many years. So that is quite amazing.
see, one thing is very common. See, where learning is a passion, there's a teaching in passion, where all the faculty members who have been doing this, they are getting something out of it. That means they are very passionate in doing it.
Yeah.
And so they really love what they do. So that means the kind of output that could really make a student learn is very good. So, and that's how it was, and it is actually.
Yeah, definitely, sir. It really inspired, because I was not thinking about giving the exam. Only July second week, suddenly I thought, okay, I'll register Speed. So in that time, I never thought. But after listening classes, I started gaining some confidence, because this rapid class was very short and brief, up to the point. So it helped me to save a lot of time, and whatever the MCQs I tried to solve. So it really gave some confidence. In short time, I thought, okay, maybe I can really compete this time again. So, but after so many years of unsuccessful attempts, I could not believe this rank actually. So I checked many times and again, and very happy. And finally, I was able to thank you. because second time again speed has helped me to go across the second line. So I cannot believe, it's like a dream for me.
Very, very nice, doctor. Totally almost close to 7,000 people have attended this exam. 6,500 plus students have attended this exam. And it is a very good performance and a great achievement. And now, what is your plan? I mean, what is the specialty that you want to take?
And that's what I'm thinking about, Neuro Onco.
Yes.
I don't know what I'm going to get.
Yeah. You will, whatever you want, you will get it. There's no issues actually. And definitely you'll be able to accomplish what you wanted. And what is the message that you want to give to the students who are aspiring for MCH? Because I think you'll be most appropriate person to leave a message.
No, I think I'm an exception, sir. I think nowadays with all the teaching that you are giving, I think it makes things very easy for students. I think 1 or 2 attempts maximum, I think they'll be able to get whatever specialty they want. So I think I'm an exception to the rule. So, but the thing is, definitely, I think whatever you inspire, you can get 1 or 2 attempts. And I'm not a good example to keep writing for so many years. I think 1 or 2 years. I think third maximum 2 attempts you should be able to get. I think whatever you want, I think definitely speed is going to greatly help people, inspire people. That is, I think that is the one mistake I did all these years. I didn't join any course that would have made things a little bit easier for me. But really, sir, one thing I really want to thank you. Somehow, I think your energy has helped me and then gave me some positive mindset, and that has helped me to come a little bit closer to a very good rank that I could not achieve in all these years.
Thanks for great words from you. I mean, it's really making our day true. And once again, I want to wish you all the very best and all the success for future endeavor as a MCS super specialist in the specialty that you're going to take and wanted to take. For that, our advanced wishes and congratulations to you. And what you thought, you have made it, and you can make it, and you will make it. And for that, our wishes are with you. And go ahead. And anything that you require more, anything, guidance required, you can feel free to keep in touch with us. Definitely, we will be always a support to you. And we wish you once again all the best and all the success.
Thank you, sir. I would also like to thank you. Thank you very much. I think you made a very, very big difference in my life. Hopefully, I will try to work hard from here and then achieve whatever I want to achieve.
Sure, 100%. All the best to you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.